using the chapter, the essence of change. Okay. So in the last section, we have discussed about change of state. Okay. So using the principle of change of state, we can do many activities. Okay. For example, when we take a wax, when we melt wax, what we will get? We will get its liquid form of wax. Okay. So using that molten form of wax or liquid form of wax, we can make many things. Okay. We can make many things. Variety of things we can make. Okay. So for example, take an empty ice cream bowl and open it. Okay. And pour the molten wax into it. Okay. Then what happens? What happens? We will get a wax bowl. Okay, we will get a wax bowl. Okay, isn't it? Then, likewise, we can make wax dolls, model of an egg, etc. Okay, how can we make the model of an egg using wax for exhibition? Once again, how can we make the model of an egg using wax for exhibition? Consider an eggshell as a mold. Consider an eggshell as a mold. Okay. Melting the wax and pour it into an eggshell. Okay. Melting the wax and pour it into an eggshell. Okay. Then allow it to cool. After cooling, the model of wax is prepared. Okay. Is it clear? Then how can we make a wax doll? How can we make a wax doll? For that, cut a plastic doll into two equal values. Okay, sorry, into two equal halves and use them as a mold. Okay, once again, how can we make a wax doll? Okay, for that, cut a plastic doll into two equal halves and use them as a mold. Okay, then fill it with a molten wax and then allow it to cool. Okay. So with the help of mold, we can make the shape of any objects. Once again, with the help of mold, we can make the shape of any objects. Okay. Here you can see a picture that is given in your textbook. Okay. These things we are using in our day-to-day life. These things we are using in our day-to-day life. Okay. What are the things that you can see here? A bucket, chair, utensils, etc. Okay. Here also we use the principle of change of state. Here also we use the principle of change of state. Okay. Then how the chair is made up of? Do you think how the chair is made up of? For that we use molten plastic or liquid form of plastic. Okay, and pour it into the molds of chair. Okay. After that, we want to dry it, and also we want to neatly shape it. Okay. Then we will get a beautiful chair. Okay, is it clear? In other cases, also we want to do like this. Okay. In other cases also we want to do like this. Okay. Then, have you ever seen wax museums? Have you ever seen wax museums? Shall we see some of them? Look at here. These all are wax dolls. Okay. Do you see it? Did you see it? Okay. In your textbook, you can see a table. Okay. Some situations and change taking place in state or shape is given. Okay, once again in your textbook you can see a table. Look at here, you can see a table. Okay, here are some situations and change taking place in shape or then size is given. Okay, shape or change of state is given. Okay. Then first one, heating solid ghee. While heating solid ghee, what we will get? Heating solid ghee, what change is taking place here? The change taking place is it melts. Okay, that is the ghee melts. Okay. Second one, cutting vegetables. While cutting vegetables, what change taking place here? It becomes smaller pieces. Okay. Then third one, heating a PVC pipe. While heating a PVC pipe, what it happens? While heating a PVC pipe, what change occur? That is, it expands or it bulges. Okay. Then fourth one, heating wax. Heating wax, what change taking place? That is, it melts. Okay. Wax melts. Okay. Then tearing paper. While tearing a paper, what happens? It becomes smaller pieces. Okay. Then next one, breaking a bottle. Breaking a bottle, what happens? What change taking place? That is, the bottle become smaller pieces. Okay. Did you got it? Then heating a lag. That is, while heating a lag, what change taking place? That is, it melts. Okay. The last one, crumbling paper. While crumbling a paper, what change taking place? Its shape changes. Okay, did you got it? Okay. Then what are these changes are called? Here you have here I told you some situations, and based upon the situations I told you the what changes are taking place. Okay. So here what are these changes are called? What are these changes are called? They are called as physical change. Okay, then what do you mean by physical change? What do you mean by physical change? Change is the change in the physical properties such as state, shape or size is termed as physical change. Okay, then expansion, melting, breaking, tearing, etc. all are physical changes. Okay, then while physical changes occur, there is no new substance is formed. Okay, here is the definition for, so this is the definition for physical change. Okay, is it clear? Then can you give some examples for physical change? Tell me. That is heating wax, tearing paper, etc. Okay, so these are about today's class. Okay, so from this section we have studied about physical change and their examples also. Okay, I think all of you got clear. Thank you.